रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयो हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाए मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हमारे एक्चुअली जीजू भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. आई डोंट फील दैट गैप एनीवेज. ही इज वेरी सपोर्टिव. यू कैन टॉक एनीथिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग टू हिम एंड he'll always be there. No. Didi is the best. She is the best because he's with him. So yeah.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी
I really am going to miss you so much. I am happy as well. अब सारी ज़मीन जायदाद सब मेरी है. तेरे पास कुछ नहीं आ रहा जितना लेके जाना था तू ले गई. But I really going to miss you. I'm going to miss you so much. About Jiju, I would say Jiju is always calm. He is always composed. Unlike my sister, she is always yelling and screaming at things. My Jiju is really calm. मैंने जैसे अभी बोला कि वो चुड़ैल है तो उसको फाइनली तांत्रिक बाबा मिल गए काबू में रखने के लिए. सो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. फाइनली शी हैज़ फाउंड. सेम रही हो, हमेशा खुश रही हो. That's it.
कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई 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 मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिमें कोइन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू घंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी
ਸਿਆਪਾ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਡੈਥ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ
ਲਾਊਡ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕੇ ਵਰਜ਼ਨ
ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ
ਰਫੈਲ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ
ਗੁੱਟਰੇ ਗੁੱਟਰਦੀ
ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਸ਼ੇਡ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਫਿਰੰਗੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ 100 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
So I have no hesitation getting married to him. I never thought I'll be able to get married to anybody for that matter because I'm very difficult to handle. But the way he treats me, I don't really think that I would have ever got a guy like him ever in my life. But I think because of Krishna's mercy, it's God's grace that I've got him. So now I have no hesitation. I'm really, really happy that I'm getting married to him tomorrow. It is his patience with me that what I am actually fan of. Plus the way he speaks, he's very polite and I'm the other way around. So I think that is the best thing which how we clicked, you know. So we are completely opposite.
I am a bit accommodating by nature, so I had thought that I will always have to adjust according to her, but over the months it looks like she has become very adjusting nowadays. So it has gone the other way, wherein she has started understanding and by herself adopting to things. It was surprising for us. So when we met initially, we were of the view that it might not work out. But then as we started knowing each other well, it seemed like she is all what I wanted and all I was looking for.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away.
I think in our mind, we got married to each other long back. Like really, really long back. I know people will consider it just a word and just a saying. No, but it's honestly, I'm telling you. In our mind, we decided that we will be together. And we were just so sure. Even my friends still ask him or ask me that Ankita, I mean, in just 6 months, and I keep on telling him that I don't know, for some reason, my heart was always agreed to Bhagirath. Whenever I used to think about him, I used to get that yes from within.
Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take up.
And when I started knowing her, within weeks I think I was so sure about her, and then I realized that I never knew what I was looking for. This is all what I wanted.
Come to this, one step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Because I always wanted to tell him, and I keep telling him also, that I was very sure on the day when I told him that about my spiritual life, that I am very different to what I look and where I work. I have my complete different story altogether at the back. So when I accepted me, even in that frame of mind, when I told him that this is what it is, and he said it's okay, I think we can manage. And I think that was the time when I was very sure about him, that yes, I can go for it.